Hi everyone! Welcome to Learn English with Fatima. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that, if used correctly, will take your English speaking to a higher level: articles. That's right, I'm talking about a, an, and the. Articles let us know if we are talking about something specific or something general. Today I'm going to talk about when and how to use each one, and I'm also going to review specific noun groups and which articles they need in front of them. Don't miss that section because it's full of common errors. First, let's review the basics of articles. First up is an. An is our indefinite article. We use an to talk about something in general. I saw a car accident on my way to work. I want a new bike. A or an is used to talk about singular nouns. We can use a or an plus a singular noun. A table, a house, an umbrella. Or we can use a or an plus an adverb plus an adjective plus a singular noun. A really big table, a very nice house, an awfully small umbrella. We use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. A book, a cat, a tree, an apple, an egg, an ice cream. When we say vowel sound, there are some words that start with a consonant but don't sound like one. For example, words that start with a silent H. Honor, hour, herb. We would say an honor, an hour, an herb. Or words that start with a vowel but have the U sound, which is a consonant sound. University, uniform, utensil. We would say a university, a uniform, a utensil. A or an depends on the word directly after it, even if that's not its noun. So if we had an octopus, we would use an. But if we had a pretty purple octopus, we would use a to match the next word, which is pretty. We use a or an to talk about something that's not specific. You can use a pen or a pencil for your homework. We use a or an to talk about facts in general. A car can drive faster than a bus. We use a or an to introduce something for the first time. Today, I started a new gym class. Now, let's talk about the. The is our definite article. When we use the, we are talking about something specific. The house down the street, the car I drive, the teacher at my school. We also use the for something that's already been mentioned. Like I said previously, when we are mentioning something for the first time, we use a. I saw a really nice car. Now that that thing or person has been mentioned, we can use the. The car I saw was red. We use the to talk about something that everyone we are talking to would understand. For example, the teacher we have is strict. We use the before superlatives. That is the biggest sandwich I've ever seen. We use the for proper nouns or for unique things. We visited the Eiffel Tower when we were in France. Now let's talk about which article to use for more specific nouns or types of nouns. Certain nouns always use the sun, the moon, the world, the universe. For most countries, we don't use an article before them, unless they have one in their name. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom. For oceans, seas, and rivers, we use the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea. For lakes and waterfalls, we don't use an article. Lake Victoria, Niagara Falls. For mountain ranges, deserts, and regions, we use the Sahara Desert, the Swiss Alps, the Arctic. For single mountains, we don't use the. We would just say Mount Everest. We don't use articles before a holiday. Halloween is on Monday. She's taking the week off for Christmas. When is Eid this year? Before decades and time periods, we use the 1950s, the digital age, the golden age. For job titles, we say a or an. I am an accountant. I am a doctor. If there's only one of this position at your workplace, you can use the. I am the CEO. When we're talking about public places, we use the, even if there's more than one. I am going to the mall. She went to the library. What do you think? Are you ready to start using more articles when speaking English? I promise that even if articles seem small and like they aren't a huge deal, they make a big difference in the meaning of your words. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos. I have playlists for all grammar videos, or you can watch them by level, beginner or intermediate. See you next time. Bye!